All about lentils, lens culinaris. Lentils are small, lens-shaped legumes that come from the plant species Lens culinaris. They are a nutritious and versatile food that has been consumed for thousands of years in many parts of the world. Lentils are a good source of plant-based protein, fiber, complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. They are also low in fat and calories, making them a healthy addition to a balanced diet. Lentils are available in a variety of colors, sizes, and textures, and can be cooked in a variety of ways, including boiling, simmering, or pressure cooking. Let us examine some of the common lentils in detail. Brown lentils. These are the most commonly consumed lentils and are available in most grocery stores. They have a mild, earthy flavor and hold their shape well when cooked, making them ideal for stews, soups, and salads. Green lentils. These have a slightly peppery flavor and hold their shape well when cooked. They are often used in salads, side dishes, and hearty stews. Red lentils. These are split lentils that cook quickly and break down easily, making them ideal for soups, stews, and Indian dishes like dal. They have a sweet, nutty flavor. Yellow lentils. These are similar to red lentils but have a milder flavor. They are commonly used in Indian cuisine and are known as tur dal or arhar dal. Black lentils. These have a rich, earthy flavor and hold their shape well when cooked. They are often used in salads and side dishes. French lentils. These are small, dark green lentils that hold their shape well when cooked. They have a peppery flavor and are often used in salads, side dishes, and soups. Beluga lentils. These are small, black lentils that resemble caviar. They have a rich, nutty flavor and are often used in salads and side dishes. Lentils are produced in many parts of the world, including India, Canada, Turkey, and Australia. Lentils are also grown in many other countries, including the United States, France, and China. Lentils are an important crop for many farmers around the world, and their versatility and nutritional benefits make them a popular food for people of all ages. At Sinonin Biotech, we understand plant protein functionality and how to apply them in meat alternatives. If you wish to formulate with lentils, talk to us. We shall help you on the formulation and validation strategies to deliver a nutritionally compliant and wholesome human or pet food meat alternatives. Contact us today.